Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting review, and today we're diving into the world of FPV drones. 2025 has already given us some of the most advanced, feature-packed flying machines we've ever seen. So whether you're into high-speed FPV racing, cinematic aerial photography, or just want a fun way to explore from the sky, this list is going to have something for you. That's why I've put together this top 5 best FPV drones of 2025 list. We're going to look at the specs, real-world performance, pros and cons, and most importantly, who each drone is perfect for. And don't worry, I've also included one piece of must-have FPV gear that will totally change the way you fly. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. V168 Max Mini GPS Drone Professional FPV with 8K Camera. The V168 Max Mini GPS Drone packs advanced features into a portable frame, making it a solid choice for both hobbyists and semi-professional aerial photographers. Camera: 8K Ultra HD with adjustable gimbal. Flight time: approximate 20 to 25 minutes per battery. GPS: integrated GPS plus GLONASS for precision positioning. Obstacle avoidance: 360 degrees infrared sensing. Motors: brushless for smoother flight and durability. Other features: follow me mode, waypoint navigation, return to home. The V168 Max impresses right out of the box with its sleek design and foldable arms. The 8K camera delivers sharp images, especially in well-lit environments, and the GPS positioning ensures stable hovering even in light wind. Obstacle avoidance is responsive, though you still need to be cautious in dense environments. Controls are intuitive for beginners, while advanced users will appreciate the customizable flight modes. Pros: high-resolution 8K camera with stable GPS-assisted flight, foldable and travel-friendly design, smooth, brushless motor performance, reliable return-to-home feature. The V168 Max is perfect for content creators or enthusiasts who want a mix of portability, quality imaging, and safety features without spending thousands. Number 2. K18 Max GPS Screen Drone with AirDrop. The K18 Max sets itself apart with a built-in screen on the remote controller, a feature usually found in premium models. Camera: 8K professional lens with gimbal stabilization. Unique feature: built-in HD screen for live FPV feed without a smartphone. Flight range: up to 5 to 8 kilometers depending on conditions. Motors: brushless for power and longevity. Obstacle avoidance: multi-directional sensors. Bonus: AirDrop function for small payload deliveries. Flying the K18 Max feels premium. The integrated screen reduces setup time. No more fumbling with phone mounts or app connections. The camera performs well in daylight, with vibrant colors and minimal distortion. The AirDrop feature is more of a fun add-on than a daily use function, but it works surprisingly well for small items. Pros: integrated HD screen, no phone needed. Stable long-range performance. Good battery efficiency for its class. Fun and functional AirDrop capability. Ideal for those who want a straightforward flying experience with no smartphone fuss, especially for live FPV enthusiasts and hobby photographers. Number 3. New S156 Drone 8K HD Aerial Photography. Aimed at intermediate flyers, the S156 Drone delivers dual-camera flexibility and strong obstacle avoidance at a competitive price. Cameras: front 8K plus bottom 1080p camera. Motors: brushless for stable flight. Obstacle avoidance: 360 degrees infrared sensors. Display: built-in screen on remote for FPV. Flight time: 22 minutes per battery. The S156 stands out with its dual-camera setup, allowing pilots to switch perspectives mid-flight. The built-in screen is sharp, but not quite as bright in direct sunlight. Obstacle avoidance is tuned for cautious flying. It sometimes slows down too much when objects are near, but that's a plus for beginners. Pros: dual camera versatility, effective beginner-friendly safety features, built-in screen for quick flights, lightweight and foldable, a solid option for hobbyists who prioritize camera flexibility and safety over high-speed performance. Number 4. P7 Max High-End Professional GPS Drone. The P7 Max is designed for serious aerial photography and long-distance FPV flights. Camera: 8K stabilized lens with high dynamic range. Flight range: up to 20 kilometers digital image transmission. Motors: powerful brushless motors. Screen controller: Integrated FPV display. Battery life, up to 30 minutes per battery. Build, professional-grade foldable arms and aerodynamic body. The P7 Max is a beast, fast, responsive, and capable of maintaining crystal-clear video feeds over impressive distances. It's heavier than the others on this list, but that weight contributes to its stability. The image quality rivals mid-tier professional drones, making it an appealing choice for freelance aerial photographers. Pros: exceptional long-range transmission, professional-level image quality, strong stability in wind, premium build quality. If you're ready to step into professional-level drone work without spending on a DJI flagship, the P7 Max delivers outstanding range and quality. Number 5. CADDXFPV Walksnail Avatar HD Goggles X. While not a drone itself, these FPV goggles are the perfect companion for high-end flying. Resolution: 1920 by 1080 per eye. Frame rate: up to 100 frames per second. Compatibility: supports Walksnail digital system, analog input, and HD0. Field of view: 50 degrees. Extras: HDMI input, output, replaceable receiver module, head tracking support. The Walksnail Avatar HD Goggles X are built for serious FPV pilots who demand crisp visuals and low latency. The image quality is outstanding, with minimal lag for fast maneuvers. The modular design means you can upgrade components instead of replacing the entire headset in the future. Pros: sharp, vibrant display with low latency, supports multiple video systems, comfortable fit for extended use, future-proof modular design, an excellent investment for FPV pilots who want the best in digital clarity and versatility. The best 5 top FPV drones 2025 lineup covers a range of needs. V168 Max Portable, high-res photography for enthusiasts. K18 Max hassle-free FPV with built-in screen and airdrop fun. S156 dual camera versatility for casual pilots. P7 Max professional-grade range and image quality. Walksnail Avatar HD Goggles X, the ultimate FPV viewing experience. Whether you're a beginner taking your first flight or a professional aerial photographer, this year's FPV market offers something powerful for every budget.